Government employees, may good news para sa'yo. Introducing the National Healthcare Shield mula sa Kaiser International Health Group. Pasok ka dito kung isa kang government personnel mula sa national government agencies, state universities and colleges, government-owned and controlled corporation. Kahit anong appointment status mo pa, regular, casual, or contractual, appointive man or elective, full-time or part-time, pasok ka dito. Para makasali, dapat may authorized signatory ang agency. Walang required minimum members. Basta buong agency mag-i-enroll. Lahat ng government institution dapat sumali para maiwasan ang anti-selection. Lahat ng members ay dadaan sa underwriting guidelines and approval. At take note, ito ay compliance with Budget Circular Number 2024-6 na inilabas ng DBM noong December 12, 2024. Gobyerno ka, protektado ka. Mag-inquire na sa Kaiser para sa National Healthcare Shield.